Good morning, everybody. I hope you all are fit and fine at your homes. Welcome back to English class. So, children, yes, in the last class we have completed our chapter number 4, My Red Bicycle. Yes, children. So, in today's class, we are going to discuss the evaluate part of this chapter. Okay, children. So, open your English textbook, page number 47. Yes, children, page number 47. So, children, here see section A. Okay, in reading part, tick the right options to complete these sentences. Tick the right options to complete these sentences. So, children, here what we have to do? Yes, tell me. We have to tick the right options to complete these sentences. Okay, so first let's read the sentence. Okay, so here look at number 1. Here sentence number 1 is Aman has a dash. So children, option A, red motorcycle. Option B, red bicycle. So tell me children, which is right? Which option is right here? Yes, you are right. Option B is right. Yes, Aman has a red bicycle. So what we have to do then? Yes, children, we have to take option B. Yes, here option B is right. Aman has a red bicycle. Now children, come to second one. Aman's father rides a pink scooter. Option A. Option B, green scooter. So tell me children, which option is right here? Yes, you are right. Option B, green scooter. Yes, as you all know children, Aman's father rides a green scooter and he goes to office on his scooter. Yes children, and he goes to office on his scooter. So children, option B is right. Now come to the third one. Aman's family also has option A, tractor. Option B, train. Yes, option A tractor. Option B, a train. So tell me which option is right here children? Yes, you are right. Option A, a tractor. Yes, Aman's family also has a tractor. Now come to the fourth one. Aman's paternal uncle is called. Yes, children, tell me, Aman's paternal uncle is called Salim or Salman? Yes, as we all know children, Salim. Yes, so here option A is right. Yes, then children, now come to the fifth one. Seema lives in Ranchi or Mumbai? Tell me children, which option is right? First tell me, who is Seema? Seema is a maternal aunt of Aman. Yes children, maternal aunt's name is Seema. Yes, so children, who is Seema? Aman's maternal aunt's name is Seema. Yes, and she and her children lives in Mumbai. Isn't it? Yes, so here tell me which option is right? Yes, option B is right. Okay, so now children, of section A is over. Now come to the section B. Yes, so here what we have to do children? Yes, we have to tick the vehicles Aman mentioned in the story. Okay, so what we have to do children? Here they have given 6 names of vehicles. Yes, so here what we have to do? We have to tick the vehicles Aman mentioned in this story. So Aman mentioned train. Yes, that his paternal uncle Salim is an engine driver and his train is blue and white. Yes children, so he mentioned train. Yes, so here let's take this. Then he also mentioned a car, isn't it children? That his maternal aunt's name is Seema and she and her children lives in Mumbai and it is a big city. They came to visit us in a car. Yes, so children, he mentioned car. So let's take this. So children, he also mentioned scooter. Yes, that his father goes to office on his scooter. Yes, okay. So children, again he also mentioned a tractor. Yes, that we have a tractor and our tractor says fat 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 when it goes to work. Yes, children. So he mentioned train, car, scooter and tractor. Okay. So children, now section A and section B is over. Yes. So children, now come to the language in use. So children, in this class we will learn about use of can and cannot. Okay. So here children, see use of can and cannot. So read these sentences. A fish can swim. Yes. A fish can swim. Yes. Fish swim ಮಾಡ್ತದೇನಿಲ್ಲ. Yes, ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. So a fish can swim. Can ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Can means able to do. Cannot means not able to. Can means ಮಾಡೋದು. ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡೋದು. Cannot means not able to. Okay. Can means what, children? Can means able to. Cannot means not able to. Very simple. Yes. Once again I will read this. Listen to me carefully, children. Okay, let's read these sentences. A fish can swim. A fish can swim. So here children, what is mean by can? Can means ಮಾಡೋದು. Cannot means ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Okay. Can means what? Able to. Cannot means not able to. Is that simple? Is that clear, children? Can means what? Can means able to do. Cannot means not able to. Okay. A fish can swim. Yes. A fish swim ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. Swim ಮಾಡ್ತದಿಲ್ಲ? Yes. A fish can swim. A lion cannot fly. Yes. A lion cannot fly. Yes. A fish can swim. A lion cannot fly. So here children, can means what? Can means able to do. Cannot means not able to. Is it very simple? Is it? Yes. Can means what? Can means able to. Cannot means not able to. Okay. So children, let's fill in the blanks with can or cannot. Yes. So children, see here in section A, a bird can fly. A bird dash fly. So children, tell me, a bird can fly? Yes. A bird can fly. Yes. एक bird क्या होता है बच्चों? वो उड़ सकता है. Yes. A bird can fly. So children, crow means what? Kage. Yes. Kawwa. So children, tell me, a crow can sing or cannot sing? Which option? Which is right here, children? Can or cannot? Which is suitable here? Here children, cannot is suitable. Yes. Because a crow cannot sing. Yes children, what we have to do here? We have to fill in the blanks with can or cannot as suitable. So children, a bird can fly. Yes, a bird can fly. And a crow cannot sing. Yes. Then a frog can hop. Hop andre enu एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जंप करना. ओके. हॉप मीन्स व्हाट चिल्ड्रन? एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जंप करना. सो फ्रॉग क्या करता है? वो हॉप करता है. यस. अ फ्रॉग हॉप्स. सो चिल्ड्रन, अ फ्रॉग कैन हॉप. यस. देन लुक एट दिस ब्यूटीफुल पिकॉक. यस चिल्ड्रन. सो टेल मी, अ पिकॉक कैन डांस. यस चिल्ड्रन. तो पिकॉक डांस करता है या नहीं करता? यस, करता है. अ पिकॉक कैन डांस. यस चिल्ड्रन. A peacock can dance. So children, now come to the fifth one. A mountain cannot move. So children, tell me, आपने देखा है mountain को move होता हुआ? No. Yes children, a mountain cannot move. Yes, look at this picture and tell me, can a mountain move? No. A mountain cannot move. Yes children. So here a bird can fly. A crow cannot sing. A frog can hop. A peacock can dance. A mountain cannot move. तो बच्चों, ऐसी कोई चीज़ जो कर सकते हैं तो तब हम क्या करना चाहिए? कैन यूज़ करना चाहिए. और अगर कुछ ना हो पाए या फिर जो नहीं होता है, नॉट एबल टू डू, तो तब हमें क्या यूज़ करना है? कैन नॉट. ओके. सो कैन मीन्स एबल टू. कैन नॉट मीन्स नॉट एबल टू. ओके. सो नाउ चिल्ड्रन, हियर कम टू द section B. Manu saw many vehicles on the road. So here children complete the puzzle with what Manu saw. Use the clues. So children, here they have given some pictures of some vehicles. These are the clues. So here children see the first one is car. C-A-R, car. Then now down look at here. Yes, this is auto. Yes, auto rickshaw, auto. A-U-T-U, auto. Yes. Then again children here, this is cycle. Yes. So children, this is C-Y-C-L-E, cycle. Yes. Then now fourth one, this is lorry. L-O-R-R-Y, lorry. Yes children. So here Manu saw many vehicles on the road. Here what we have to do? We have to complete this puzzle. So these are the clues. Here we have to look at this picture and we have to complete the puzzle. Yes, the first picture is car. Yes, so they have given here C-A-R, car. The second one is auto. Yes, the third one is cycle. And the fourth one is lorry. Yes children. So in the next class we will discuss page number 49 and page number 50 and page number 60. Okay children. So complete this children, and the next we will continue in our next class. Okay. Till then stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Bye bye.